What happened in the breakup, Justin?
We broke up previously. For a period of time that we did talk as friends, but then she met her new partner.
And how did you feel about that?
Actually, I wasn't really bothered. Obviously, it was difficult because of the circumstances. You know, I still had feelings for Kelly at the time. However, there was a situation where Kelly felt I was being vindictive towards the person she was seeing, and it wasn't the case at all.
Why haven't you paid the money?
For a period of time, I dragged my heels, but then I did actually find myself in financial difficulty to the point where I could not physically pay
What
them.
period did you drag your heels? How long? A month? 2 months?
Probably
10 months?
5 to 6 months.
I see. £840 has been paid. Now, I have to take off, assuming I find that there's a legally enforceable agreement between you, money which in reply Justin says he's entitled to take off anything he owes. And there are 2 further amounts. One, as you say, is for a gym membership.
Yeah.
How much is that?
That at the time was costing me £70 a month, in which half of that...
It's a joint membership?
Yes.
Yeah.
Why is he paying for your gym membership out of his bank account?
As I've said, there are 2 loans, one of 45 and one of 30.
Why is he... Let me tell you, when I ask a question, Kelly, talking, the reason I ask the question is because it is a relevant question. And I'm normally terribly calm. Do you see? And it's a relevant question which has a very easy answer.
Because the one loan counteracted the gym membership to the 30.
In other words, you tell me that his gym membership was in lieu of making regular payments in respect of the loan.
Yes, Judge.
That can't be right. You tell me that now, and I may take it off, but you didn't take that off in an organised way each month. Do you understand?
Yes, Judge.
You just want me to look at that now, right?
Yes, Judge.
I see. That's the problem when you don't have it written down. So £640 was paid. Mm-hmm. You accept that?
Yes.
Excellent. Now, this is a real area of dispute here. You got into some considerable disagreement. I call it that, but it got, I think, from what I can gather, reading between the lines, slightly more serious than that. Is that true? Did it become a bit fraught when you ended up in a new relationship?
Yes, Judge.
I see. Now, not only did it become fraught, but according to you, there's a massive debt outstanding here, yes?
Yes, Judge.
That can't have made you feel happily disposed towards Justin, correct?
Correct.
I see. Now, you had some property of his in your house.
Yes, Judge.
You describe yourself as a very mature person. Yes?
Yes.
Disagree?
I think I know where you're going with this, Judge.
Do you?
Yes.
For more Judge Rinder cases, click here. And if you've got a legal issue yourself, get in touch with us by clicking over here.